Okay, hello everyone. My name is Suraje Dessai. I'm a professor of climate change adaptation at the University of Leeds and one of the UK climate resilience champions together with Dr. Lonsdale. It's great to host today's webinar series. We've got Professor Neil MacDonald at the University of Leeds and Dr. Thomas Kelston at the University of Bath, who will be telling us a little bit about the project that they've just recently concluded on building UK climate resilience through bridging the qualitative and quantitative data divide. So that's a project that's bringing together historical geographers, physical geographers, engineers, and other disciplines to tackle this problem. It's one of the networks that were funded under the first phase of the UK climate resilience program. So as usual, we'll have presentations and then we'll have the Q&A at the end. Just the usual way to interact is to pose questions on the Q&A as presentations go along. You can use the upvote to select the most favorite questions, and if time permits, I'll try to unmute you so that you can ask the questions directly to our speakers. As you probably know, our webinars are recorded, and then we'll share this after event as well. So if you do have some technical problems, use the chat function to mention that, and hopefully Susie can address that. Use the hashtag and the Twitter handle as well throughout this webinar if you can. So just to remind you, I mean, I know many of you have come back for more in the context of the webinars, but what the program is trying to do, it's a £19 million program started in early 2019, and it funded a whole bunch of projects in the early phase. You'll hear one of them now. And what the program is trying to do is really to enhance the UK's resilience to both climate variability and change by doing frontier interdisciplinary research and innovation in three main areas. So one of them is around climate risks, where it involves characterizing and quantifying climate-related risks for the UK. Another important theme in the program is around adaptation. So how do we manage climate-related risks? How do organizations, individuals take adaptation decisions? And finally, we have another big theme around climate services. So this emerging area of how to translate information and knowledge into usable services. And I think today you'll hear about a project that really actually brings a bunch of this together by looking at the past, you know, trying to quantify climate-related risks in the past and potentially provide that in a service context as well. So without further ado, let me just briefly introduce Neil. Neil is a geographer in the geography department of the University of Liverpool, and he's also affiliated with the Institute of Risk and Uncertainty, and he's been leading this project together with colleagues at Liverpool and a couple of other universities. So I'll hand over to you, Neil, to share the screen and kick us off.